Tamara Basic Tees here, and this week I'm going to show you how to make a mini garter. I am sewing out on the patio, and my husband is almost done preparing me a room to move my sewing stuff into. So let's get to work on that mini garter. It'll be real quick. Now we're currently at the cover stitch machine, and you can also use a zigzag machine. You don't have to use a cover stitch machine. And I've taken a piping piece that's 14 inches, and I folded the shiny sides together, the right sides together, and I have sewn about a 1/2 inch. I put a stay stitch about a 1/2 inch. This is a really simple tutorial. I don't know if I mentioned, but 14 inches is usually my go-to for a measurement for any leg garter. So you're just going to sew it around and make a piping piece. I usually fold both pieces over because I feel like it secures it better instead of doing it open, because then you've got that opening where the thread is. I just feel like if you just fold it over, it's better. There's more of a lump if you start on this side, and there's less of a lump if you start on the other side. It's just more flat. So you fold it over like any other piping piece that you would do, but you're just going to go around in a circle. So you're just going to set that lumpy piece right under there because that's going to be the hardest thing to get through. I'm pulling these threads out of the way because I'm going to cut them off later. And then I'm just going to cut off this extra thread, make sure everything's all tucked in really nice when you go to the other side, and just kind of sew over the edge. I don't really go back and forth with the cover stitch machine, but you're probably going to want to with a zigzag machine. And then you're just going to get rid of all your extra threads. And you being the designer, you can make this however wide you want to, however you want to do it. You could even make it narrower, but this is going to be a finished garter. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial on how to make a mini garter. If you like what I'm dishing out, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Check out basictees.com. And until next time, stay sexy. Bye.